Hello and welcome. Do you want to create a professional website with WordPress without any coding knowledge? Then you've come to the right place. This is a 13-hour training course that will provide you with all the information you need to build your website from start to finish. This course has over 26,000 students and is highly rated with a score of 4.3. The price with a 35% discount is approximately €13. However, I want to offer this course to you completely free of charge, with no payment required. Additionally, at the end of the course, you will receive a certificate of completion. So, stay with us in this video. To get started, open your browser and type gotodiscounts.com in the search bar. After that, click on the relevant link to visit the desired page. To ensure you're directed to the correct page, make sure you type gotodiscounts.com exactly as shown in the search bar. Double-check that the link is typed correctly, and then click on it to be redirected to the desired page. On the homepage of gotodiscounts.com, there are various sections for categorizing courses. You can easily find relevant courses by selecting the appropriate category based on your needs. These categories simplify the search process and help you quickly discover the most suitable courses. On the open page, courses related to the selected category are displayed, especially the course we are interested in. By clicking on the course link, we will be taken to the course's dedicated page. Once the course page opens, you will see information about the course, including discounts and the expiration date. Keep in mind that the expiration date of the discount is important. To access the discount and view more details, simply scroll down the page and click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. As you can see, I was able to get this course completely free through gotodiscounts.com. I didn't pay any money and easily got the course. But keep in mind, this amazing discount is only valid for 1 more days. So don't waste time, act fast, and take advantage of this exceptional opportunity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to share it with your friends so they can benefit from this information too. We'd also appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and like the video. Have an amazing day.